Hello there! Welcome to Vietsound channel. You know that I've been teaching Vietnamese for many years, and today I'm going to share with you some common mistakes that non-native speakers make when they are learning Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. Many non-native speakers don't know that in Vietnamese we have the long sound and the short sound. And the first pair of sound is the long A sound and the short A sound. Let me give you an example here. I have two words, an, like a name, and ăn, when you eat something. Let's take a look at the first sentence. We have ăn cam. The A sound in the first word is a long sound. And on the second word, the A sound is a short sound. And on the third word, the last word, I prolong the A sound again. Now let's do it again. An cam. Now let's say the sentence a little bit faster. An cam. An cam. I hope that you can hear the difference between the long A sound and the short A sound in the first sentence. Now let's take a look at the second sentence. Bà ăn cam. In the first word, the A sound is a long sound. In the second one, the A sound is a short sound. It is a short A sound. And on the third word, the A sound is a long sound again. Now let's say the sentence again. Bà ăn cam. A little bit faster. Bà ăn cam. The next paired vowels is the long sound and the short sound. Let me give you an example here. We have tâm nấu cơm tấm. So you can hear that in the first word, the sound is a short sound. The second word, the sound is a short sound again. On the third word, the sound is a long sound. And on the last one, the sound is a short sound again. Okay, now let's hear how I say the sentence. Tâm nấu cơm tấm. Now let's do it again, a little bit faster. Tâm nấu cơm tấm. The next pair of vowels is the long E sound and the short E sound when they occur after a vowels. Okay, now let's hear, we have two words here, tay and tai. So you can hear that on the first word, the A sound is a short sound and the E sound is a long sound. But in the second one, the A sound is a long sound and the E sound is a short sound. Let me do it again. Tai, like our hand, and tai, like our ear. Okay? Again, tay, tai. The next one is the A-U combination. I've seen many non-native speakers are struggling with the words like Chào, Chào. They can't pronounce these words clearly because they don't know about the long sound and the short sound. Let me explain the A-U combinations right now. Okay, on the first word, Chào, the A sound is a long sound and the U sound is a short sound. And on the second one, we have the word Chào. In this word, the A sound is a short sound and the U sound is a long sound. Let's hear how I pronounce these two words again. Chào, Chào. And I have some examples here. We have cháu chào ông ạ. Cháu chào bà ạ. I've seen thousands of non-native speakers say these words in a wrong way. Because in English, you also have the k and the ng endings. But you never close your mouth at the end of the words with the k and the ng endings. And you also never make the puffy cheek with this sound, with these endings. But in Vietnamese, when the k sound and the ng sound occur after vowels like o, o, u, you have to close your mouth at the end of the word, and you also have to make the puffy cheeks. I've heard thousands of non-native speakers say these words like khân, chăng, cũng, ức, học. Please stop doing like this. It's not correct. You have to close your mouth at the end of the word and make the puffy cheek to say these words like ông, không, trong, cũng, ốc, úc, học. Please remember to close your mouth at the end of the word and make the puffy cheeks. Intonation is very important in speaking Vietnamese, and the first thing I want to share with you is when you are speaking Vietnamese, you can prolong the last word in the sentence. That makes you sound more like a native speaker. Let me read a story about a cat. Có một con mèo, mèo 5 tuổi, mèo thích uống sữa. So you can hear that I prolong the last words in each sentence. Let me do it again. Có một con mèo, mèo 5 tuổi, mèo thích uống sữa. The second one you have to remember about the intonation is in Vietnamese we have 6 tones, and that's why sometimes in the sentence you have to raise your voice, sometimes you have to lower your voice because of the tone, and sometimes you speak Vietnamese you sound like a song. Okay, let me read the story again with a low speed. Có một con mèo, mèo 5 tuổi, mèo thích uống sữa. So you can hear that. Sometimes I raise my voice with the high tone, and sometimes I have to make my voice a little bit lower with the low tone. My advice for you is when you speak Vietnamese, you can do some movements like body language, like my students often do. Có một con mèo, mèo 5 tuổi, mèo thích uống sữa. I hope that it can help you a lot. And the biggest problem that causes you misunderstood is you split the sentence in the wrong place. It means when you say a sentence, you pause in the wrong place. Like, for example, here I have 2 sentences. Okay, let's take a look at the first sentence. It is con mèo uống nước và đi ngủ. It's gonna be perfect if you say like con mèo uống nước và đi ngủ. But if you say the sentence like con mèo uống nước và đi ngủ, you are totally misunderstood. Even I'm a native speaker and I pronounce each word correctly, but I pause the sentence in the wrong place and nobody understands me. So let's try to say the sentence like con mèo uống nước và đi ngủ. And the second sentence we have bố mẹ đi dạo ở công viên. It's gonna be correct if you say like bố mẹ đi dạo ở công viên. It's good. But if you say the sentence like bố mẹ đi dạo ở công viên, you are misunderstood. So please be careful about the long sound and the short sound in Vietnamese, and also be careful about the word endings. And the last thing you have to remember is the intonation and pause the sentence in the right place. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.